Can you wave? Can you wave? Yeah. Can you wave? Can you wave? Hi. How about a kiss? Oh, you see the cat?
Hi there.
Hey, Lila, how about a kiss?
Cat.
How about you, Micah? Can you wave? Can you do a kiss? That's pretty good. Can you spell your name?
M-I-C-A-H.
Woo! Pretty good. What are you eating? What are you
Smoothie.
eating? Smoothie. Very yummy. That's a little kiss. Thank you, Lila. Let me have another one. Missy.
No, that's Lila.
You trying?
Hello, no.
You love that cat, huh? You love that cat.
The cat goes meow, meow, meow. La, 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 la.
Bye-bye.
What is this?
Good.